emsebenzini kosi uphile wedwa phila wedwa than uphile namaxoka abantu abakubetrayayo. Mina bhuti ngizokutshela iqiniso.
Sure.
I cannot sit nomuntu etafuleni engazi kahle ngismile ngipretend engazi kahle ukuthi akangifisela okuhle. Kunezinye izinto funa uyihleke. Zona zilwa nawo but uyihleke.
Sase good.
You've defeated those things. You understand?
Sure. The minute you become desperate, you will pay the price that you're not supposed to pay.
Sure.
Ngiyazi bazongishaya South Africa ngale umuntu o desperate for uthando. Umuzwa ngokuqoma indoda ethi ukhona yena marangeni. Desperation. Makes sense.
Ngifuna ukushaya istembu mabunda. Kunama relationship bekose afe. There was no way. Noma thina bosibuni ngasibiza sizokhansela. The foundation was wrong. Ukwabona mawusinile abantu abakufuna. But ungazube nesithandwa sakho. Umaqondana. Hey bakufuna left and right. Ngathi ungamagwinya ashisayo.
Mang
ebusika kubanda ayagijima. Why?
This thing ayikho into dangerous ukufana nokusaba ukudisappoint umuntu. One of the painful price that you will pay for being in a wrong relationship, it's wasted time. Do you know mvangelo yakhona kuba ku relationship ya 10 years ungaboni ukuthi uye in a relationship ya 10 years until uphuma kiyo bese ukhalela le ya 10 years. Akusilolonke usizo bhuti olusizo olunye lizo eda usizi but egameni lokungathi usizo waze warepha mngani yo yadlala ngamagama.
Uyazi ukuthi kunabantu abathandana ngegama lokuthi lo muntu wangisiza
kodwa akamthandi
but akamthandi.
But abantu aba desperate mfethu abaqabangi kahle because baqabangiswa ile need abanayo ngaphakathi kwabo as a result be end up because kunabantu buti abasizayo kuze babukise ngathi kunomuntu mfaka mangu akakusizi ngoba kuvela enhlizweni kodwa ukusiza ngoba ufuna ukuprove point kahle uyiproject yakhe yokuprove point ebantwini. Greetings South Africa, this is Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Welcome to yet another episode of Real Talk with Amadoda Nyakazi Sumuzi. Thank you so much to everyone that is subscribing. Thank you so much to everyone that is commenting. We are reading your comments. We see the positive feedback that esithola lapho kwa YouTube. Siyabonga bafethu, qhubekani njalo ni support. As always, I'm not alone. You know, Bab Mango. Good.
Yes sir.
Right.
Angren mabunda ugrand.
Great. Umbula iflu nje.
Le flu lengathi siqedile.
Le flu aya.
Yeah, but sibingelele yonke South Africa. Real Talk with Amadoda Anyasumuzi. We are back on fire. Another episode. Siyaqhubha bafethu. I think this one it's episode 27.
Not 26?
No, 26 we did it. This is episode 27.
Wow.
Yeah, and siyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Njoba mabunda asho, keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on commenting. Yeah, so nje siyacela ni share and yeah, siyacela nje bafethu ile nje into esicela because it will help us not to grow. Because into esidingayo nje ukuthi ikhule le information etholakala la bonke abantu ezweni bayithole.
Yeah.
So inamba nje for ama booking 064600 751 kulabo abafuna ukunikela kuyona inamba ya Capitec. Mabunda fowethu.
Sibuda.
Sure.
All right.
No ngimnandi.
Aze nga confused. For the first time ngizoba honest angazi sikhulume ngani. Ngibade ngithi camera maybe mase kunama camera nama light ne setup kuzawuvuka something. Hayi nothing evukayo.
Yeah.
But otherwise but there's something that has been happening a lot lately.
Sure.
That I so wish kwangathi maybe we can talk about. What is it that has been happening by the way? Nele ngcondo. Bona ihambile. Khambile. No, ave sichuba mngana mangasiqesota.
Okay, since ibhuti usalokhunja.
Sure.
Yeah. There's something that is on my mind.
What is on your mind?
Ilenda nje manje as we are speaking.
Yeah.
But as we are speaking. You know, Puti, this is a real talk.
Sure.
Izinto lezi abantu ababhekana nazo on the daily basis.
Sure.
And I believe ukuthi iqiniso umuntu lenzani liyamkhulula.
Sure.
So this is one of the platforms whereby sidila neqiniso, sidila njengoba nento injalo.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
So into engishayayo ke Mabunda ukuthi mina ngazi khuluma ngani. Ay
no, asiqhubeke ngakati this is real truth. No, real talk asiyeke injalo yabona. Bafethu,
but another thing bafethu raise ama question lapha
to talk about. No, ake sikhulume lana Nceke yabona. I think oh God, this is amazing. No, ake sikhulume. I think maybe we can expand on a topic that we once spoke about.
Sure.
But on a new level. Something will come up, obviously. I'm just trying to put my thoughts into order. Indaba yogu investor emntwini.
Sure.
And loyo muntu uthi so investe kiyo i-energy yakho, ama emotions wakho, konke kwakho. Aphinda kujike.
Sure.
It can be friendship, it can be a relationship.
Sure.
Uthola ukuthi wena uphakathi kulento kanti loyo muntu akekho kulento wena oqabanga ngathi ukiyo.
Ukuyona leyo muntu.
Does it make sense?
Sure.
Uthi noma uku relationship mfoka mango ubone i-language iyashintsha. Wake akwayezwa abantu abathandana about two. Omunye athi ngizokushadela kuqala bese uyazibuza what's going on here. Yeah. So I think if you can go back there to say the painful thing and what it does to you uma uthandana nomuntu or uma uku anything.
Sure. Okay. Okay, but okay, asicale silungisela mfethu Mabunda.
Sure.
Asicale silungisela because at the end of the day getting as a person
sure
who's protect, you might do something right,
sure,
but at the end of the day lento yenza ikulimaze, but kuba ngcono ukuthi uzi protect.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Mabunda, invest emntwini.
Sure.
But once ukuthi ma investa kumuntu i-investment ehambayo,
sure,
ephilayo enenyawo,
sure,
kusasa ngakujikela futhi kusasa ingabi nawo. Mina I won't discourage people ukuthi ba invest ebantwini because here's the truth.
Sure.
uNkulunkulu usebenzisa umuntu kuzasiza umuntu.
Sure.
So kunabanye abantu uNkulunkulu suka ba assignile empilweni zethu ukuthi bazosiza.
Sure.
As much as lo osizwayo ama intentions
sure,
ajika be bad.
Yeah.
You understand? So what I can say kulento lena ukuthi no yenza leyo nto.
Sure.
Investa kulo muntu makuthiwa invest but ungabi nama intentions okuripa from that person because into eslimazayo
sure,
ukuthi sisuke sinama intention uma si investa kulabo bantu and when that thing ingalate but ave kubhlungu ngizokhuluma lento ibhlungu le ave kubhlungu ukuthi utshale isihlahla sika banana kunzima singakhuli
sure,
ilanga lishisa unisele kusinye isikhathi besithi sifuna ukubuna but ube nento ukuthi usimise sikwazi ukuba right
sure,
but ekugcineni sithi isihlahla mase sikhulile sinabo banana abangadliwa nguwe
yo
buhlungu leyo nto
yo I hear you.
So what I'm trying to say, to save yourself,
sure,
do things in the name of you are doing it for God,
sure,
so that you won't be hurt.
Now, can I ask a question for Amang? Is it wise to say ungumjita? Let's say there's a painful story that I read whereby there's a guy that was in a relationship. This guy was a security guard, and he would work his he would work I almost said something.
He's butt off.
Yeah, he's butt off. He would like literally work like kakulu.
Sure.
In order for him go to atatu not mfazi girlfriend because he was not married to that lady kuze aye esikolweni yena angazanga aye because of love. now later on bamthathe loyo mfazi.
Sure.
So umbuzo wami ke mango is it wise to invest empilweni yomuntu esifazane wena ongaka invest kuwe in hopes ukuthi ke makase a right that person will return the favor?
Okay, le answer ngizoletha la selfish.
Sure.
Yeah, is selfish.
Sifuna yona.
Awukwazi but ukinvesta komunye umuntu ungainvestanga kuwe.
Yo, I hope amajita yezwa ngapha.
Awukwazi ukinvesta kumuntu wesifazane oyintombi.
Sure.
Wena ungainvestanga kuwena. Because ungizwe kahle mabunda, kungcono uju lichichimele kuwena
Sure.
bese lichichimele lehlela kulowo muntu osukunayo
Sure.
than ukuthi wena uzothela kumuntu bese ufuna lehlele kuwena.
Sure.
No uzohamba necup yakhe uzawubona usala nobani.
Yo,
Buti mina ungizwe kahle mfowethu buti.
Sure.
As much as ezinye zezinto zi-selfish futhi
Sure.
zinabo ubunhliziyo embi.
sure.
Mina lento bengade ngisho ku Real Talk on the one of the episode I said something
Wathi?
ngathi mina abantu abanenhliziyo ezinhle they suffer in this world.
Yo,
Ubetray inhliziyo yakho indaba uthi wena unenhliziyo enhle because at some point ngasho ngathi iBhayibheli liyayibalula lezinto ukuthi hlakanipha njengejubu wemnene ukuthi ithi hlakanipha njengenyoka ube mnene njengamajubu. Shothi kahle kahle have two hearts.
Sure.
Awukwazi ukuthi njalo wena ungaba senhlizweni yejubu uhleli enhlizweni. Abanye mabunda bathathelwa amadoda,
Sure.
bathathelwa imishado yaphela
Sure.
egameni lokuthi wena hayi unenhliziyo enhle wena. Abanye mabunda imisebenzi yaphela egameni lokuthi wena unenhliziyo enhle. Yethu umuntu emsebenzini mabunda if emsebenzini kosu uphile wedwa phila wedwa than uphile namaqoka abantu abakubetreyayo.
Yo.
Mina futhi ngizokutshela iqiniso.
Sure.
I cannot sit nomuntu
Sure.
etafuleni engazi kahle ngismile ngipretend
Sure.
engazi kahle ukuthi akangifisela okuhle.
Sure.
Ngihleli nomthakathi ngiseduza nomthakathi. Abanye abathakathi kungcono amabunda badlalele kude bangasondeli la.
you know mango inkinga yethu in our generation sinabantu abasaba ukuba bodwa. Angazi if it makes sense. We have abantu abanga enjoy their own company. Ingakho uthola ukuthi kunomjida every weekend uyaphuma uyodakwa nabantu abangamfuni. Or uthola ukuthi kunomuntu esifazana osifostayo emsebenzini. Bafethu ngicela ngizwe kahle ayikho into ebaluleke kufana nokuthi enjoy your own space and your own company. Ngoba the minute you master the art of enjoying your own space and your own company abantu will find you strange but you'll be protecting yourself from a lot of things. Ngoba kunomuntu namhlanje mfoka mango ngabe wahlala endlini anganabangani ngabe ashona. Kunomuntu njengoba sikhuluma mfoka mango ngabe akekho ejele njengoba sikhuluma kodwa uzithola asenkingeni ngenxa yokuthi wahluleka ukuenjoya icompany yakhe waqabanga kwangathi it's a must to be but it's not a must to be surrounded by people. Kusiza ngani mfoka manga ukuthi kube nabantu abagqwele ejardini abanye awubazi nokubazi ukuthi abobani but at the end of the day mawuse unenkinga you are alone.
Yes but
Sure.
People they don't understand.
Sure.
Kuyingozi ukuthi uzoba nabantu
Sure.
ungakazwa abawedwa. Okay.
Ayiphinde mama.
It's very dangerous but ukuthi uzofuna ukuba nabantu kanti awukazi wabawedwa.
Ngiyakuzwa.
Ifana nalento mabunde ukuthi uthi uzofuna unkosikazi uzofuna umfazi kanti awukaze wahlala wedwa.
Sure.
Okay. Yebut uma ngabe wenza njalo yebut bonke abantu ababhali exam
Sure.
before baba sebantwini nabantu ababhali exam uqala umuntu abeyedwa khayikibo afunde iphepha afunda ama notes eyedwa.
Sure.
Bese uma ezobhala ubhala into ayifundile emfihlakalweni.
Sure.
Because of iyafana lento nokuthi ufuna ukuphila nabantu ungakazwa phila wedwa. Because ungizwe kahle mabunda Yingakho abaningi bethu siyafeyila ekubeni nabangani, ekubeni nabantu kuma relationships sifeyile. Why? Because sifuna ukuzifunda abantu sebekhona. Kanti uwedwa uzange ukwazi ukuyifunda.
Yo man,
I don't know, it makes sense.
It makes sense. You know, mawukhuluma somfo kaMango, you are reminding me of one of the quotes that I've heard.
Sure.
I don't know whether it's Dr. Miles Monroe or it's who that said this particular words.
Sure.
He said there is a difference between being alone and being lonely.
Okay.
And as it makes sense, you can be alone and not be lonely. Now, inkinga yethu in our generation sinabantu lonely. And loneliness yabo, it's not because of badinga abantu around them. It's because of they do not know their purpose. Ayikho into abangaba busy ngayo. Ngoba ayikho mfokamango into efaka abantu einkingeni kufana ne-loneliness. Because the minute kungananto obusy ngayo, you entertain anything oyithola. Yingakho kumanje mfangani kunomuntu oku-relationship nomuntu ongamthandi. Kwenzeka wazithola lonely. Kuthi ekubeni lonely kwakhe, because the minute you are lonely mfokamango, you want something that is gonna entertain you. Wagcina entertain umuntu ongamfuni. The next thing before you know, lo muntu oseka ku relationship and manje makase ajabulile. Ayisayekeki lento. So hence I'm saying, Buffett, it's very important to understand what you need to find something to do with your life. It can be career-wise, but find something that will keep you busy. Because of the minute you are bored and you are idle, that is where you make a lot of mistakes. And some of those mistakes that you make because of boredom, they will cost you your life.
Let me say this thing, Poti.
Say it, Poti.
Let me say this thing for you. Now futhi uzongifakazela kulento.
Sure.
Athi ngihleke lento before ngizoyikhuluma. Ngirelease. But ukuhleka is medicine, man.
Release.
Before ngi-release, you know, Poti, kunezinye izinto ezithi mazik-attack zifuna ukulwa nawo, abantu abafuna ukulwa nawo.
Sure.
Akosange ureact ngendlela abafuna ngayo. Kunezinye izinto ufuna uyihleke.
Yo.
Zona zilwa nawo but uyihleke.
Sasekude.
You've defeated those things. You understand?
Sure.
So nami ngiyahleka kunezinto engidefeatayo manje. Okay. Emabunda.
Sure.
Let's be honest mfethu. Ukuba desperate.
Hey man.
Especially for someone.
Hey.
You are taking amandla akho. Wanikeza lo muntu.
Ngiyakuzwa bhuti.
Usubuthakathaka. Amandla akho emenga kuye futhi angakuye. Ukuba desperate.
Sure.
That is why bhuti ungaba desperate kuyo yonke indawo.
Sure.
Okay, ngathi ngenzi error. Yeka ukuba desperate emntwini. But iba desperate kuNkulunkulu.
Sure.
Because umuntu mawuba desperate kuyena uthatha ipower from kuwena.
Sure.
Yingakho mabunda kunabantu ababa desperate for uthando.
Hey.
Ganto lo muntu osukuthandana naye makakubona ukuthi u desperate for ukuthanda athatha iadvantage.
Hey man.
Yeah, but anything that is homeless outside it is exposed to danger.
That's true.
Because that thing is desperate. Ingakho everything yonke into endlule emgacweni leyo nto bazothatha what can I say, bazothatha advantage based on that thing because lento desperate, lento outside. Ngayiphinda bhuti. Kunabangani.
Sure.
Abahlezi babona ukuthi unabo ubu desperate bobungani. To a point ubakwenza isilima badlale ngawo because bayabona ukuthi u desperate. Umangale but kwangathi imngedwe encincayo kulobudlelwane. Kwangathi imngedwa ngathi yimi ngumngani ngedwa ngiyancenga yonke into. Why? Because usuke ebonile lo muntu ukuthi u desperate for uthando. Athi ngicheke lento mabunda before.
Ayicheke mfoka manga, ayicheke lapha, ayicheke lapha, ayicheke. Sasekhona.
Yeah, sese right.
Can I say something for Mango?
Sure.
And ngifuna ningizwe kakhulu. I want South Africa to hear me very well when I say this thing.
Sure.
The minute you become desperate, you will pay the price that you're not supposed to pay.
Sure.
Emango, the desperate goes with the overpricing. Kunezinto ngabe uyithola mahala. Mara because you are desperate for zona, you will pay to get them. Ngamanye magama, the minute you become desperate for love, you will pay to be loved. The minute you become desperate for friendship, you will pay to keep the friendship going. Ngoba every time there is desperation, there is a price to pay. So most of abantu esiphila nabo or abantu, I've seen this thing kubantu besifazane mfokamango, that they become so desperate for love to a point that they do not mind doing things that strip off their dignity. Emango, umuntu wesifazane o desperate for uthando, ngiyazi bazongishaya South Africa ngale, umuntu o desperate for uthando umuzwa ngokuqoma indoda ethi ukhona yena marangeni
Desperation.
You get what I'm saying? Now, you know in your right mind you would not allow ukungena kunomunye umuntu, but because of you are desperate for love, you gonna agree for that thing. But abantu aba desperate mfethu abaqabangi kahle because baqabangiswa ile need abanayo ngaphakathi kwabo. As a result end up benza izinto abangeke bazenze on their right state of mind.
But uthinta enye into and ungisa ku radical.
And
it's something ekudala ngayigcina especially kwa TikTok.
Sure.
But
sure.
Awukwazi ukuthi ungumuntu wesifazane
sure
udibane nobhuti okusukele
sure
athi mayekusukela lo bhuti akushele then before umcomo yambuza naye umuntu
sure
athi anginaye ngiyakulento ishoyo
sure
bese uthi okay it's fine bese intombazana ithi no singathandana noma unayo umuntu akunankinga singathandana noma unayo umuntu and even nama gents ayayenza lento
sure
thola ukuthi athola ugel unomuntu une out ekhona
sure
but because you are desperate for ukuthola lo muntu wesifazane bese umuza umjida athi hayi angimind ukungena umjida noma ekhona mina ngizokutshela iqiniso mabunda
sure
isikhathi singahamba iphele leyo relationship lo gela asuka naye lo umthole naye iphele
sure
noma lo muntu wesilisa noma lo girl omthola nomuntu iphele relationship yakhe nalo muntu wesilisa
sure
but here's the truth the foundation is not good
oh man
ngizama ukuthini mabona kunama relationship afa because afanele ukufa the foundation is wrong
yo man
irradical
no iqiniso
no ifanele ukufa le relationship
ngoba
ifoundation iyabheda ungifaka kanjani ngithandane nawe nenye indoda bese ihlento mase seyiphela sengisele nawe uthi ngikuthembe kusasa into indlela ongithole ngayo indlela ozoyisebenzisa nokuthola abanye
wemango ingakho kunamadoda angawahloniphi abafazi or kunendoda engamhloniphi umfazi iyenzana noma yini imphatha noma isikanjani ngoba the reason angakuhloniphi ingoba indlela akuthola ngayo and at the back of his mind iyavuka lento makasoba to say ishmara lo muntu lo if wachithela usibanibani ngamthola
what about
me ingakho kunama relationships mfomango that are built on insecurities bonke the both partners abathembani ngoba indlela abatholana ngayo iyona eyenza ukuthi bangathembani
mangicubeka bhuti
because of danger that bafethu ngicela ninga undermine indlela enitholana ngayo yes bakhona abantu abatholana in the wrong way into yabo iphumelele but bakhona abaningi into yabo kumanje ayiphumelelanga ngenxa of the foundation. And into ebhlungu bayakhohlwa nokuthi batholana kanjani. Bamangala sebalwa lephezulu bacanga ngathi balisa ilezi zinto kanti into yakudala lento.
Do you know ukuthi as umuntu wesifazane nalo mjida bathandana.
Sure.
Bese ugeli acome ngaphandle kodwa anendoda.
Sure.
Nale ndoda ivume ngendaba ukuthi I desperate for uthando.
Sure.
Bese le relationship yalo muntu wesifazane iyafa.
Sure.
And ife lo mjida lomunye bekayitshela ukuthi umntwana wakhe.
Sure.
But lo oyiside nigga uyazi umntwana ukuthi owakhe.
Sure.
But lona akazi. Okay, iphele le relationship.
Sure.
Automatically sebanomntwana. But the other guy utshoto wakhe, it's fine.
Sure.
Then umbuzo uthi njoba siba decide ukwakha ifamily, ucabanga ukuthi wena umuntu wesifazana uzokuthemba lo wesilisa ngokuthi umzalela abantwana ngoba even nalomntwana eninaye lo wesifazana wakhona ukumanipulate enye indoda wathi owakho kodwa kungasiyo wakhe. No, but this is a real talk. But I don't know, does this thing make sense?
Makes sense, but makes sense.
Ngifuna ukushaya istembu mabunda. Kunama relationship bekose afe.
Man.
There was no way. Noma thina bosibuni ngasibiza sizokhansela. The foundation was wrong. And ungizwe kahle mabunda.
Sure.
Ungizwe kahle. I don't know this one izosounda njani. Kunama relationship afa because of kune foundation yenyembezi zomuntu wa betraywa kulolo thando. I don't know
yenze sense lento esho.
Because mabunda it matter ukuthi into niqala kusiphi step. Man, I can check it.
You know usakhuluma so mfaka mango to say kulama relationship afayo ngenxa yokuthi akhiwa phezulu kwenyembezi zomunye umjida omunye umuntu esifazana.
Sure.
And nina nijajuliswe ile power or ile bumnandi eqaleni ngoba into mawuseqala imnandi but uma ngaleke ngokuhamba kwesikhathi izinto ziyashintsha nikhohlwe no2 ukuthi nilani khona kunomuntu owakhala kuze nibe no2. Now I wanted to say something for Kamama to say, do you know kunabantu besifazane? Oh man, this thing's running away. I pray it comes back. Kunabantu besifazane mfoka mango abayithola basenkingeni ngenxa man, this thing is running away and ngifuna uyibeka kahle lento ayibuye lento it's a bomb chief. Okay, man, let this thing come back. Kwenzakalana namhlanje, it's fine.
Yeah.
Now kunabantu besifazane bhuti abavuma ukungena ku relationship bazi ukuthi lo munye ukhona kunomuntu okhona. Now or kube nomjida ovumayo ukungena ngoba kunomjida okhona. Are you aware sometimes ukuthi leyo cheating inokuba mnandi ngenxa yobukhona balomuntu lo ngaphakathi?
Yeah.
Iba mnandi ngenxa ukuthi lo muntu wakho nisathandana naye and nina noyithuna lo munye niyatshontshana.
Sure.
Kuthi the day ku find out lo munye a decide ukuhamba nisale nina abantu bambili, I relationship iphenduke ibe so ngoba umuntu wakho is good as long as anganawe full time. No, I'll repeat that. Abana umuntu wakho lo muntu wakho u right asase i side chick nawe uphatheka kahle usase i side chick. Kodwa iqiniso mina engizontshela lona naye, the day you become a main loya inyembezi zaloya main owasuka ziyokhala nguwe side.
Yeah, injalo you gonna pay.
Imake sense.
And but ngicela ungifakazele kulento engizoyikhuluma la.
Sure.
I don't know, have you ever encountered that?
Sure.
Yeah, should be real talk namhlanje.
Sure.
But ukwabona mawusingile abantu abakufuna. But ungazube nesithandwa sakho umaqondana hey bakufuna left and right ngathi ungamagwinya ashisayo
mang
ebusika kubanda ayagijima why
mina okay I think I have an answer for that.
Sure.
It's because of when you are alone kubonakala kwangathi you are incapable of loving. Kubonakala kwangathi awukazi ukuthanda and sometimes awuthandeki. Kanti the minute kuba nomuntu othandana naye then siwa oh this guy is a good
wait ke but okay ngithi mina abazi labantu
sure
ungizwe kahle
sure.
Lo muntu usuke angazi ungizwe abazi ukuthi awunayo umuntu but uyasearcha and uma usearch awutholi umuntu but as soon as uthola uzodwa wakhe esidini urusine usuthandana naye serious sekukhona abantu ya awusithanda sami masethi yes love it
as soon as uthola uvi
mase sengithanda noma vi akusuvi but mani yeah as soon as ngithandana nomama
sure
senginomama then sebaqala bayangifuna. That's when I realized but uSatan ukhona.
Yeah.
Why mangisingile akekho umuntu ongifunayo. But ngingaze ngibe nomuntu nalo owangibhampisa ugcine sekangifuna abanye seba renew nama contract nami. That's why I believe but uSatan akayifuni into enhle.
Akusile principle eseBhayibhelini ethi to him where there is more shall be given. To him that has little, even the little he has, they will be taken away. Isho njani iBhayibheli? When you have more will be given. But if you have little, even the little you have will be taken. So makungana muntu awufuna because there is no foundation. Umoya wakho akekho. But the minute there is someone, everyone wants you.
Okay. Athi ngikhuluma lento le Mabunda.
Sure.
And I think I'll answer mainly to that
sure.
about this thing. Ngisaphinda futhi ukuthi uSatan ukhona kuma relationship. Yazi bhuti. And lento lena kukhala abantu besifazane kakhulu.
Sure.
Athu umuntu wesifazane ngamthola ubhuti angabukeki.
Eyibhuti.
But wanele ukuthandana nami ngaqala ngamfundisa ukugcoka.
Sure.
Wagezeka ubafu.
Sure.
And uma segezeka ubafu nalaba ngamfuni baqale bamfuna.
Sure.
And nobafu naye wathatheka. Ngifuna ukuthi Mabunda mfowethu kule nkulumo le kunabantu abazokubukela phansi bakudelele ngendaba ukuthi awubukeki.
Sure.
But as soon as usuqala ugezeka kuba muhle ngizokwenza umzekelo ngambhuti.
Sure.
Kunabantu bebangacabanga ukuthi ngaba umyeni ngomunye umuntu wesifazane.
Sure.
And manje sengiyaqala ngiyakhuluphala mhlawumbe abanye bebangibona ngisilenda bangangithandi. So manje uma Msingwane usungigezile and manje sebaqala babona amadoda sebabona indoda kumina babona indoda kumina and mina ngijikele umkami. Kanti mangijikela umkami Mabunda kufana nokuthi ngiyislima. Why ngithi ngiyislima? These people they never saw greatness in me. But manje ngokuthi ngibajoine but I don't know ngiyazwakala.
Yazwakala ukuthi there is an angle evukile kimi. Sure. I don't think it's contrary to what you're saying.
Ayiphikisi.
But no ayiphikisi ne but I hope bang understand abantu ababukela.
Sure.
To say it's not everyone oyenzayo lento. Thina mangone we are fast in blaming umuntu ogeziwe.
Okay. Sure.
To say endoda ugeziwe wena so ukahle manje so uyabona. You get what I'm saying? Manje ke uyathatheka. Kanti sometimes umuntu wesifazana ogezile unokukudelela ngenxa ukuthi ugezile.
Oh, that's another angle.
That's another angle.
Yeah, deeper.
A deeper level. You get what I'm saying?
There are two
people. You get what I'm saying? Two sides. So now uthola ukuthi ubafo noma sekafuna ukuhlonipheka la endlini uthola ukuthi akasahlonipheka ngenxa yokuthi ke kunalento I did something for you. Yeah. It's like umjita ophatha kabi umuntu wesifazane simply because of umisa esikolweni, simply because of umthengele indlu, simply because of umhlanganisele, umtreata kwangathi it's not anything, simply because of you did something for that person. Ngicela ningizwe kahle. ukusiza umuntu empilweni akukunikezi ilicense ukuthi uba disrespect ngenxa ukuthi wamsiza loyo muntu. Umuntu wesifazane nawe bafu, if you happened ukuthi uthole umuntu wesifazane anganalutho empilweni, uwork through her, umhlanganisela ama connection athola isipana yenzana, kungathi ngoba kunezinto omenzele zona bese uyaqala uyamdelela loyo muntu because of ipast yakhe. Same applies to nina abantu besifazane. If umchita umthole anganalutho, the very same respect omnikeza yona anganalutho, noma sekana qhubeka, ngoba ungathi so ubona iproduct yakho bese ukhuluma naye ngathi wehle entabeni because usebenza nje njengoba usebenza, mina ngakuhlanganisela lemsebenzini. Hey,
yazi lento oyikhulumayo but it makes me to say,
I hope I didn't contradict.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Lento oyishoyo, it makes me to say umuntu ekusiza ngoba usenkingeni.
Sure.
And njoba usenkingeni ekusiza ufuna ukukhipha kuleyo nto.
Sure.
Ngifikelwa into ethi akusilo lonke olusizo elizokusiza.
Hey man, phinda.
But lizokwenza ube worse.
Hey bhuti.
But kunabantu bakhona ukukusiza.
Sure.
But ekukusizeni kwabo kuba ngazuthi kuba ulamkelanga usizo lwabo ngoba you are suffering because bakusizile.
Ngiyakuzwa mina.
Angazi noma insense engisho.
Makes sense.
We suffer in the name of wangisiza lo muntu. Ngize ngiba nento ukuthi sasingqona isima ngithola kiso than ukusizwa umuntu ozongilimaza ngize ngiyisole ukuthi why engisizile.
Hey man, ngiyakuzwa.
Yangizisa mabona. So akusilo lonke usizo bhuti olusizo, olunye lizo eda usizi but egameni lokungathi usizo.
Waze wa rap mngani. Yo, yadlala ngamagama. Azathi inkondlo zakho.
Mawusho njalo vele ukhombuze ezinye.
Azowarepa mngani. Now ave kubhlungu mfoka mango ukuthi umuntu athi sekakusizile akukhumbuze njalo ngalosizo lwakhe.
Leyo yiyo yona leyo.
Kusiza ngani ungithathe ungifake emsebenzini kanti uzongiphilisa kabhlungu ngelanga lokhola, because noma sengisipana I have you ovelayo ngelanga lomkholo ndoda angithengele i-cold drink wafaka nini emsebenzini. Angazi what makes sense because kunabantu buti abasizayo kuze babukise ngathi kunomuntu mfaka mangu akakusizi ngoba kuvela enhlizweni, kodwa ukusiza ngoba ufuna ukuprove ipoint kalahle uyiproject yakhe yokuprove ipoint ebantwini. Ave kubhlungu mfethu ukuthi ukwamukela usizo kumuntu okubona as a project, okubona as if uyinto. Ingakho kunabantu mfethu kwamele uthi no noma wazi ukuthi into khona uyayidinga.
Yaba ne pride.
Iba ne pride. Bafethu, listen to me. It's very, very important sometimes to say no. Hayi ngoba into akhona awuyidingi, uyayidinga but inkinga ilo muntu ofarishayo.
Ngibulala.
Wemfoka mangu usathana akakunikeza ikheke mahala kungana poison. Kunabantu abafana noSathane. Usizo lwabo liza no poison ngaphakathi kodwa lifakwe phakathi ekekeni. Ibonakala le kheke kongathi linhle kodwa ngaphakathi line poison.
Sifika kanjani la?
Angazi. Yeba sala ngikhuluma ngekheke literally. Ngikhuluma ngekheke, let me explain. Ngikhuluma ngekheke literally. Yo Jesus, ngikhuluma ngekheke lele libhekwayo le. Hawu,
yazi makuthiwa kancane uyavela.
Hayi ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngibona kana asim wrong things.
Ucabangelani?
Hayi ma. Yes, no ngiyazi.
Imali futhi. Wena ucabanga ukuthi abantu asum wrong thing. Ba wena ucabangayo why singacabanga?
Ukuthi siyabaza abanye. Siyabazi lapha. Abanye lapha kwa Facebook, kwa YouTube, there is all kinds of people. Sometimes we need to bring things to context.
Okay.
Kwa nawe ucabanga ngini?
Hayi mina bengayicabanga uwongifaka lo mqondo.
Okay.
How? Ebhuti.
Sure.
ibhlungu lento.
Sure.
Ibhlungu lento lena. Ibhlungu, I won't lie to you. Ngifikela into yokuthi masakhuluma ngosizo, especially othandweni.
Man.
Uyazi ukuthi kunabantu abathandana ngegama lokuthi lo muntu wangisiza.
Kodwa akamthandi.
But akamthandi. But ukubudlelwano because of wangisiza. And lo osizayo uyitshela ukuthi lo omsizile uyamthanda.
Kanti ureactor.
That is why putting such amanye ama-foundation othando are wrong. Abanye mabunda bakhaliswa kuma relationship, kuma friendship. It's because of the foundation. Because I won't lie, but ave ubhlungu ukuthandana noanyanisi.
Man.
As much as ukudla kunuka kamnandi ngendaba kaanyanisi, but uyangikhalisa. Kunabantu ababona i-relationship yabanye abantu inhle phambi kwabo. Yeah, but there are some actors damhlabeni.
Hey, but
Kunenye into besayikhuluma nini sithi abekho abantu aba-actor njengabantu abadala. Amakhehla nabogogo.
Yebo ngamakhehla namagogo baya-actor labantu labo. No, bayuza le experience okube emhlabeni wrong, yabona. Babe emhlabeni for isikhathi eside bayuza wrong the experience. Amakhehla. Hayi nabogogo. Abantu laba yakhona ukuscreama becabanga ngathi umuntu avela ayikho lento. Speaking of foundations, body.
So,
you know, ayikho into dangerous. I'm going to say this thing. Ayikho into dangerous ukufana nokusaba ukudisappoint umuntu. Yeah, I'm going to say this thing again. Ayikho into dangerous ukufana nokusaba ukudisappoint umuntu. Kanti sometimes kubalekile ukunderstand ukuthi la kusempilweni. And kusiza ngani ufihla iqiniso ngenxa yokuthi usaba ukudisappoint umuntu. Uzithole sewusesihogweni ngenxa ukuthi wawusaba ukudisappoint umuntu. Uzithole sewusentweni ongayithandi ngenxa yokuthi bowusaba ukudisappoint umuntu. Ebafethu kusemhlabeni la. And sometimes it's very important to disappoint umuntu ngoba awuyona imali angeke uzujabulisa wonke umuntu. Na iphutha labantu abaningi nali kunomuntu namhlanje usemsebenzini loyo msebenzi akawuthandi uyawuzonda kodwa bekasaba ukudisappointa lo muntu amnikezile and manje useklile but unfulfilled. Kunomuntu njengoba sikhuluma uku relationship nomuntu lo bekasaba ukumdisappoint. Awumthandi, deep down you know that you don't love this person. Deep down you know ukuthi awumfuni lo muntu lo, but ngenxa of the magnitude of lezinto akwenzele zona uyasaba ukumdisappoint ngoba emfakama kunamajida mfethu abakhona ukuspoil abantu besifazana before bathandana nabo. Umuntu umjida mfethu akuthengele indlu, akuthengele imoto, akuthengele impahla, mawukhala kancane akunikeza. Deep down you know lo muntu awumthandi, but mawucheka lezinto akwenzele zona during that time when you were desperate, during that time izinto zazingahlangana empilweni yakho ugcine uthandana naye ngenxa yokuthi uyasaba ukumdisappointa after izinto lezazenzile. So I'm going to say this thing. It's very, very important sometimes to disappoint people for the sake of your peace. Ngoba sometimes you will become restless because of the fact that usaba disappointana abantu. Disappointana abazali. No. As long as wena uzoba nokuthula. Angisho i-disappointment ebad ngoba zihlukile lama disappointment. Kunamanye ama disappointment awes, but kunama disappointment abalulekile. Ama disappointment okuthi alright.
You know lento oyishoyo mabunda mfethu.
Sure.
Ngiba nento kumina ethi ngamane bathi ngiselfish.
But
as long as nginokuthula.
Man.
Than ukujabulisa labo bantu. But ukuthula awunako. Mina futhi ngizokutshela iqiniso.
Sure.
Lamhlabeni we are chasing money in peace.
Straight.
and angeke sixolise ngalokho nani yeah ukuthula nje into esiyidingayo
yeah
but khona into Mabunda ngifuna usindlule kuye sesizoyivala ireal talk
sure
Mabunda kukhona driver
sure
about two
sure
kukhona udriver odrivayo because of une license
sure
driver kahle
sure
but I license futhi khona
sure
bese kuba khona lo okwazi udriver but I license akana no driver perfect but ekubeni ukuthi udriver perfect amaphoyisa kulindile eminyango
man
noma istop sign ungasilandela umthetho waso
sure
but into abazoqala bakubuze yona makumisa amaphoyisa ama traffic cop I license unayo na ngisho ukuthini Mabunda wonke umuntu angaba ku relationship but I license uthando
man ngikuzwe kahle
eMabunda silimele kanje othandweni ukuthi sithandane nabantu abanganayo license wena kodwa bakhona ukudrive
man
so ukuba nothando ungene ku relationship kunezimpo ongeke uzilwe ezi unnecessary because you've got I license ekubizwa kuthiwa uthando likulwela izinto ngikutshela but noma kuthiwa traffic yakumisa iqala ikubuza license uyayiletha uyayinikeza uma ngabe kungekho inkingi uyachubeka uyahamba
yo
eMabunda I don't know man
but ungiqolele ukuthi lento yakho yokudriver ingikhumbuza something that I wrote though angaka release kwa Facebook but hopefully episode mayizophuma ngizabe ngiye release ile ngithe kule yanto bengibhala ukuthi ngangisuka ePitori ngiya eJozi and into yokuqala ngayibona uma ngisuka ePitori kosenye eJozi ukuthi ngathi ngiphakathi kule taxi ngathola abantu bakhuluma ilanguage engayazi ngiyayazi le language but angijwayelanga ukuthi abantu abayeJozi bayayikhuluma kune le language esibiza ngokuthi iSpitori idibane neSpade esidibane nokuTsotsitana yabona ngathi ngiphakathi kule ya taxi mfoka mangu going to Joburg in my mind I'm going where to Joburg but inside that particular taxi ngezwe wonke umuntu khuluma iSpitori kwenzakalanda but ngadecide ukuhlala secondly ithe my move le taxi le I noticed angijwayelanga le ndawo le I had to ask umuntu oseceleni nami iyapi le taxi angitshela le taxi yeMamelodi and I had to tell the driver I'm sorry I'm in a wrong taxi now imagine ke mfoka mangu ngabe ngaqhubeka ngahlala nabantu abakhuluma iSpitori ngahlala ngibona ukuthi i-territory le taxi le angijwayelanga kunjalo ke kubantu abaningi abasemathandweni mfoka mangu bangena ku relationship bezwa ukuthi ilanguage ekhulunywa la akusiyona le mina ngikhulumayo akusiyona yala ngiyanga khona but umuntu aqhubeke ahlale ingakho uma sekahleli le taxi le mayisehambile you will not have to pay double price because uzobhadala iprice yokuya ubuyobhadala neprice yokuzibuyisa and iprice yokubuya mvangeni yila umuntu sekahlukana nomuntu lobeka ngamthandi ekhala inyembezi so bafethu learn to check ukuthi le taxi ongene kiyo iya la uya ngakhona na ngoba you gonna pay iprice enye ebuhlunga and one of the painful price that you will pay for being in a wrong relationship it's wasted time do you know mvangelo yakhona kuba ku relationship ya 10 years ungaboni ukuthi you in a relationship ya 10 years until uphuma kiyo bese ukhalela le ya 10 years
but real talk
yehlanu kulawa ma taxi washo kanjalo mang athi yehlanu iyehla diliga mango I'm sorry ngiyasivalile mara kunomuntu kosa dilike awuthandwa lapho kuleyo taxi yehla diliga leyo taxi tshela udriver ho and mina yazi into engijabulisa mango at least ngiyehle ngakhipha imali imagine ngabe ukukhipha imali real talk 064 6200 751 yeah
Siyayivala bafowethu. Thank you so much for those who are listening and commenting. And siyabonga bafowethu, we are on 10k subscribers. Let's keep on growing. Let's keep on commenting. Let's keep on liking. Siyabonga. Shalom.
Shalom. Amen.